In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to hook up your Messenger bot to Google Sheets for data import. And you just go to Google Sheets and you have to have a Gmail account. And I'm just going to open up a blank sheet, just like that. And I'm just going to name it. So it's going to be blank. And I'm just going to name it here. It's going to be contacts. There you go. I'll just call it contacts. It's automatically saved, by the way. From there, I'm going to go to Zapier right here. I'm going to click on Make a Zap. And I'm going to choose Webhook. There we go. And from there, I'm going to select an event and catch hook. Click on Continue. Then that's your custom webhook right there. I want to copy that. I want to go to the dashboard and I want to go to Messenger Bot. And I want to go to JSON API connector. Click on Actions and a new connection. Okay, so this is going to be my Google Sheets demo or contact. All right, and I'm going to select the page that I'm working on, and I'm going to be working on this insurance demo page right here. So I'm going to select that page that I'm going to be working on. There it is right there, Matrix Insurance Demo. And I want to paste that webhook from Zapier right there. Okay, so when people are visiting my bot, and I ask their email or their phone number or whatever, I can ask for a number of different things, and what's going to trigger it. Okay, so if I ask for an email, it's going to trigger the data to be sent. All these things will be sent to Zapier. First name, last name, email. Maybe I'll give them the page name and the phone number. Okay, and maybe the phone number. If I ask for their phone number and they click on that, it's going to send me all this information. First name, last name, email, page name, and phone number. That's going to be sent to Zapier and then to the Google Sheet. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be asking for. So if they give me either their email or their phone number, these things out here are going to be sent to the Google Sheet through Zapier. And I'll click on Save. Okay, that's saved. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here and I want to click on Continue. So it's going to ask me to test it. Okay, so to test it, I need to set up a bot to ask to ask for an email address. Okay, so I'm going to go like this. Let me just restart that, delete that. So it's going to be a fresh conversation. Okay, it's going to be a fresh conversation. So let me go to Messenger Bot, and I'll go to the bot settings, and I'll go on the insurance demo page, and I'll set up a new bot reply. And this is going to just be a demo. Google Sheet. All right. And the keyword is just going to be email. Okay. So it's going to be a quick reply. I can do a text with buttons or a quick reply. And I'm going to enable so it looks like somebody's typing. And please confirm email address below. Okay. And I'm going to do a quick reply and ask for email address. So that's set up. And the keyword is email. Okay. So there's the keyword email. So now I'm going to go to here. I'm going to click on the Get Started. And the keyword is email. Okay. So I want to go to right here. I want to test and review. So I want to click on test. So it's searching for it. It's searching for it. So I'll go to that page and I'll type in email. Let me just type it in again. Email. And now, so now when I click on the email address, it's going to trigger it. See that? So now it's triggering it. So now watch this. It'll just take 30 seconds or so. So it's sending the data to Zapier, so it's triggered. So I can open it up, and that's what it's pulled in. First, last name, email address, page name, and phone number. Okay, that's my free phone number through TextNow. So that's not my cell number, but a free phone number. Okay, so once I'm done there, I click on Done Editing. So now, what do I want to do with it? So it's coming into Zapier, and where do I want to send it to? I want to click on Send it to Google Sheets. So type in Sheets and click on there, choose an action. And so I want to create a row in a specific spreadsheet. Okay, so remember, we've created this spreadsheet and we've named it Contacts. And so we want to put in this information here. Okay, we want to put in, I'll show you. We want to put in the first name, last, got to put the columns in, name, and what else do we want to look for? We want to look for, let's go back to MessengerBot. Let me go back here, click on preview. So email, that's what's triggering it. And the post data it's getting is first name, last name, email, page name, and phone number. So first name, last name, email, page name, and what? Phone number. Okay, in that order. Okay, in that order there. There. Okay. So now we want to come, oh, sorry about that. Go back to Google Sheets, that's all saved. Go back to Zapier, and we want to create a row in a specific spreadsheet. Click on Continue. Okay, search for the spreadsheet. Click on Continue. So it's going to ask for what spreadsheet. Click on the little down arrow button, and that's Contacts. Okay, worksheet required, sheet 1. So once you get to here, you can put in the field. So first name, last name, email, page name, and phone number. There we go. Click on Continue. Okay, so we're going to test it. Okay, so let's check it out. And there it is right there. You see that? So it already set it to it. So let me put these out a little bit more. See, so it set it to Google Sheets automatically. So we can turn the Zap on. And now it's on. We can name it Google Sheet, whatever, right here. Okay, so now it's all set up. Okay, so our Zap is on. So let's test it again. Watch this. Okay, so let's watch this. So it's going to add another column. It can be the same thing, so I'm inside the same account. So let's click on it again. Watch this. It's going to, there it is. See that? Automatically. See how fast that is? Phone number, everything. And all I did was ask for the email address, and it gave me the phone number that's connected to the Facebook account and everything else. So thank you very much, and that's how easy it is to do Google Sheets with the quick reply with the bot. Thank you.